Hello friends, we are out for a little bit of thrifting at a Goodwill. So I haven't been out thrifting in a little while, so I thought I'd bring you along to see what is at this Goodwill, what I can maybe find for maybe even some Christmas things, because when you're seeing this, it is not quite October yet, end of September. So I don't know if I'm ready for Christmas yet, but I'm looking for the basics. Fun art prints, baskets always, maybe a few more fall essentials for my kids and for myself, and just some vintage pieces that I love to find. So let's get in. All right, let's get shopping for some different pants to look at. So postpartum, I am 4 months postpartum, and I am not the same shape that I was before I had our little boy. So I'm on the hunt for maybe one pair of comfortable type pants that still are classy, that will go with anything for the fall and winter season. I have a lot of dresses as well, but you know, button down are great for nursing. So I was looking through the dresses, although prices of everything over $5 is hard for me as I am an avid rummage sailor. So, you know, those type of items usually are $1 or $2 for pants or shirt, but I got to try the two on that I looked at, a corduroy maroon, which did not fit right, and then these like comfy granny pants. So you'll see I did pick them up in my haul. I can never pass up looking at a large basket if it is there in any basket, and so I just keep my eye out for any wooden baskets, wicker baskets, and then some unique pieces. I'm not sure exactly what this is, if it's a pear or an apple, but anyways, I just had to keep my eye out on that because it was so unique looking. And then dishware, I always look at dishware, even if I don't need any, it's just fun to look at. And throw pillows, this was the Happy Fall pillow, and I actually saw when I was leaving someone else had bought that pillow. Vases and pictures are always on my radar when I am out thrifting, and the prices for a lot of their pictures, their glassware, they were pretty decent at this Goodwill. This pheasant wreath really caught my eye. It didn't have a price on it, but boy was it unique. Probably not exactly my style, but you know, kind of different. And then I found a jackpot of a garage sale. This lady had an antique booth, so there were so many vintage and antique pieces, way more than I could ever think to purchase and even keep my eye on for. I would have been there for an hour, and I probably could have spent a lot of money and time there if I really wanted to. Her collection of blue pieces was incredible, fun to look at, and I did pick up a few pieces as you'll see in my haul. The Christmas items would have been a jackpot. This tin really caught my eye. It would be beautiful to gift some treats in, but I did not pick it up, and I'm kind of regretting that. And then just a few little other boxes and tins. I'm not a huge Santa person, but these vintage looking Santas were really cute. Okay friends, so we are back home. I'm gonna try to cruise through this because two girls are trying to take a nap. Other little ones here. So let's just see what I got. I didn't pick up a whole lot, but I just thought it'd still be fun to share with you. All right, at Goodwill, I found this cute little top, a 3T top for $3 for my 2-year-old. It's just a beautiful maroon and white striped Old Navy brand. Then for my 4-year-old for $3.50, I found this art class dress. It's really cute. I just thought that would be adorable for fall time. It's got a little tie on the side. Then I did end up going with these Maurice's jeans. They were $5.99. I'm not a huge fan of Goodwill prices with clothes. They seem a little expensive, but you saw me try these on. I don't know what I think about them. They're kind of like granny pants, but I picked them up anyways. Then I found this bottle for $1, Gulch it says. So I'm gonna use it for making my kombucha because it has this snap top. So I thought that would be great to clean up, and I do kombucha probably two times a month or so. So I'll use that for this. Then the steal of the day, I was shocked that this was $1.75. That's what it said. I don't know if they didn't price this correctly. This giant basket was $1.75. Like, that's unheard of even at a garage sale. So I was so excited. This will be a beautiful basket for laundry, and I'm just so excited to find wicker. It's just nice to have a beautiful, aesthetically pleasing basket when you fold laundry. All right, at the garage sale, I picked up this print for $2. It's very spring-esque, but it was really just pretty and caught my eye. Okay, and then all the boys' clothes, which will fit my little 4-month-old, were 50 cents. So like child of mine onesies, like a pair of pants, another little onesie with a dinosaur on the rear. It's so cute. Carter's brand. Dinosaur on the rear again, little pants. A long sleeve that says handsome, and then a little brother onesie, sleeper I should say, as well. And then two more pieces here. These plates, oh, they're just so beautiful. This was $1.50, and I know this is a vintage or antique piece, so I'll just do a close-up on some of these for you. And then this plate for 50 cents. So it just says Royal Homes of Britain, Enoch Wedgwood. And so I thought that it's just beautiful to display either for Christmas time, springtime, summer. I mean, I don't know when, but they're just beautiful plates for a very good price. And there was so much at the garage sale. I definitely, like I said, I could have picked up, but I limited myself, and maybe I wasn't in the mindset for rummaging and thrifting as much as I usually am, but it was still enjoyable to go out and share that with you. So hope you enjoyed this little thrifting and rummage excursion and haul. So talk with you guys in the next one.